guys, today we are here in fjord again, one of the most beautiful spots in Norway. So we'll be comparing two classical fishing methods, lure fishing versus bait fishing, and come along for the ride. Let's see how it goes. We'll be going down here, see if we can rip some lips. See you guys at the water. So I'll start off with a soft bait, then I'll move over to a spoon, and then maybe some spinning jigs. Let's see what happens. First cast. It's a little bit cold today, it's about 9 degrees Celsius. Water temperature is about maybe 6-7 degrees. We're fishing about a depth of about 20 to 30 meters. We are fishing on a turning tide. It's going from high to low. Hopefully we get good results. Nothing on the first cast. The lure drop to the bottom. We'll make sure you get the we had some right there. We're in, guys. There we go. Nice little pollock. There we have it, guys. Nice small pollock, first one of the morning. Didn't take too long, but here it is, some success. Nice one, not too big, maybe about 1 kilograms, 2.2 pounds, but yeah, what a nice fish. Let's get it back. Quickly gonna show you guys the action on this lure. There we go, guys, another one on the drop. This one feels a little bit better. Let's see if we can land it. Can you believe it, guys? I've caught an octopus. Not the first time, but yeah. They actually are hunting the lures. Look here. In the mouth. Unbelievable. Yes, let's get this one back. Making her way back to where she came from. After early success, I kept casting with a few different lures. I started out with a soft plastic, slow and natural, hoping for those curious bites close to the bottom. Then I switched to a spoon, letting it flash through the water, trying to catch the attention of a cod or a pollock. When that didn't work, I tied on a fast jig, something that could cover more water and maybe trigger a reaction strike. But sometimes, no matter what you throw, the fish just aren't interested. Still, that's part of it. The experimenting, the guessing, and the quiet moments between each cast. That's all part of the beauty out here. After a while, with no luck on the lures, I decided to change things up. Sometimes the fish just want something real, a bit of scent, a slower presentation. So I switched over to bait, dropping it down near the bottom, and waited. Small one, guys. Small one. There we go. Small one. Look at that color. You can just lay still a bit. So not long. Not long. Beautiful. Let's return him to the fjord. There he goes. There we go, guys. We have one. Also a cuckoo wrasse, but this is the female. You can see from the colors, more pinkish reddish color. Also a beautiful fish. She's got quite some teeth on her. There she is, guys. Beautiful. We'll return her to the fjord. But she's a beautiful little fish. 2 fish on the bait. There we go, guys. Another one. Fierce little guy. Let me show you. Quickly get him off the hook. There you go, guys. Released himself. A few small ones on the bait to finish things off. Not the biggest day, but still a good one. That was about it for this video. 3 small fish on the bait, 1 greedy pollock on the lure. It just goes to show, some days the lures do the trick, and other times it's the bait that brings the action. That's the balance out here. Reading the conditions, trying different things, and enjoying the challenge either way. If you enjoyed this one, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works best for you in the fjords, lures or bait. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more adventures from around Norway, where the north moves you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.